Today we are playing Sniper Elite version 2, which is the free game for these 2 weeks on Xbox Live. And I'm actually playing with my friend right now. So yeah, get started. Let's get started. He stopped pressing start. And just so you know, we don't really play well together. Yeah, that's good. Cooperative games, we don't really play them that well together. Yeah. He's a really good sniper. If you guys saw his name, I don't know if you did. His name was MLG Sniper Elite. He's called that for a reason. He is a good sniper. So this is me, and he's up there sniping. By the way, dude, you know they can't hear you, right? I can't. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you through a headset. Why can I not mark these guys? How did they spot me? You seriously shot and they spotted me, seriously? This is why we don't play together that much. Cause he always messes everything up. It's half of the time it's always his fault. I don't have a connect. I still can't mark them. Why can't I mark them? What did you do? Dude, what did you do? I can't mark them. Sean. I can't mark them. Seriously? I'm not picky. Since he never tells me anything. He's saying he never does. Hang on. No, I paused it. We're back. Can you start it already? Oh, I thought that was me because I'm usually on the top. I'll tell you later. Right now, yes, I do. You're dumb. He's dumb, guys, by the way. He's really dumb. You should see him in school. He's dumb, guys. He's really dumb. Oh no! Stuff is falling off my table right now. Oh, hi. What are we supposed to be doing in this mission? Can you mark them at least? So I know what's around me? I can't mark them when I'm in a house. Okay, where's the AA gun? Can you see it? See, guys? He just got a headshot. That's why we lose. Yes, because now there's unless. Oh, frick! I just jumped. Well, there's a guy there who I think just saw me. He's right under you. I don't know if you could see him. Here, I marked him. Can you see him? Which one? That one? I'm like, that one? Is there more of them? There's usually snipers. Check the roof. Oh, there's the first AA gun. Is there any more enemies? I don't see any more enemies, so I'm gonna go up there. Can you cover me? Do you see me? There's a guy right there. Right there, he's shooting at me. No, that's not the right guy. Oh no, he's dead. Car. Another guy right there. Granada! Ah, I pulled out the binoculars, damn it. I really wish I had a sniper right now. The killing with a non-sniper in this game is really difficult. Kill those two guys going in the back. Yeah, he's up there. You know, I don't know if that's him. Oh, I killed someone. I don't have any granatas. Throw a rock like a beast. Can you kill that one guy that's shooting me like crazy? Right there. I saw that. Yeah, I saw that. Is there any more? I had to pick up an MP40. Yeah, MP40 ammo. You see me putting a trip mine right here? I put a trip mine right here. Kill them! Kill them! Use the car as cover. Come on, this is perfectly good cover. I don't see how you can't use it as cover. Oh, I got that kill. I got that kill. I don't know what you're talking about. Did it mark it? Oh. Then apparently we both shot him at the same time because it said kill on the bottom. And I have video footage to prove it. I have a grenade. Is there anyone over there? Snipe the gas can, yeah. That's what I'm supposed to shoot. You're failing. Yeah, they're bouncing right off. Don't worry, I'm coming. Just cover me. Just searching bodies on the way. No need to bother. No need to bother with me. Hey, ammo. There's ammo. Ow! Hey, you guy, you just got wrecked. Ah, there's more of them. Help me! I'm gonna die. I died. I think there was this. Okay, so you gotta exit out. Okay, I'm pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty good. I'm not the best. I'm not amazing as him, but I'm pretty good. You got one body shot. Switch. What are you doing? Because you switched the game mode. You're dumb. Okay, now you're a spotter. And I'm sniper. Okay. Yep. Yep. My tip is to burst the Thompson, dude. Hurry up. Hurry up. I'm surprised that there's actually a pretty good view of the tablet, of the TV, I mean. And I'm moving to cover right now. Tell me who to pick off first. I was proning when marking them. That's exactly what I was doing. Dude, I have video proof to show it. Come on. I was actually proning. Mark whoever you want me to pick off first. With the knifing and the shoot button, you mark them. Okay. The guy that's next to a tree? Yeah? Okay. Damn, he moved out of my sight. Because I'm behind the sandbags right now. Headshot. Want that next guy gone now? He's dead. Who else you want dead, bro? That sounds... yeah, there's one guy. Oh, there's car. Oh, God, there's sniper. Sniper fire. I don't know if I'm getting the kills. I'm reloading, by the way. And there's a sniper in the midst. Incapacitation. Yes. Who do you want dead? I'm receiving sniper fire, which isn't helping. Oh, now you're up there? I can't even see. Dude, tell me where they are and I'll snipe them. It's just that I'm receiving sniper fire too. Well... Run! Are you clear? Are you clear? Hey, there we go. 124.3 meter headshot. I think you cleared too. It's all the way in those stairs. I hear someone else. Watch out. What? Ooh, grenade just went off or something. Oh, I thought someone else threw it. So over on those stairs. There's no one around you. As far as I know. No, just press select. Just press back on your controller. It'll mark it. It's over there. No, press back. You know the start button, the other one on the opposite side, it marks it. It marks where you're supposed to go. I feel like there's someone else. Yeah, I see you. Hey, no. We have to restart it. What? No, I'm sniper. I did better than you. I did better than you. I couldn't even get to this. I didn't even get past the building. I didn't even get outside the building when you were sniper. Alright, well this video is only going to be 25 minutes long. I only have till 8:40. Cause I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. I don't even know if the viewers can hear me, but I think they can. They should be able to at least. Can you hear me? If you can't, that'll be a bummer. At least you got amazing gameplay of Sniper Elite V2. If you want us to continue it, just drop a comment and a like. Or you can also play Minecraft. You can play World at War, Zombies. You can play Left 4 Dead 2. What other games can we play? We could play games. We could play games. That's the best explanation ever. Hey, snipers. We're both snipers. I love this. Take out your wall rod. Take out your wall rod. Hey, look, dude, a dead body. Cool dead body, let's shoot it, even though it's already dead. So what's the point of this mission? Yeah, come on. Stick together so we can help each other. Let's go for A. Yeah. Hey, I'm going to this house first. So you can see if we can scout it out. There's a guy right there. Why are they just standing still? Hey, there's another guy. I'm dead. I'm bleeding out. I'm bleeding out. Can I shoot? I can shoot. I can shoot. I can shoot. I'm helping you. Shoot. Yeah, I gotta kill or revive him. It's funny how all he does is put his hands on you and you're suddenly alright. I'm salvaging parts right now. I'm salvaging for parts right now. No! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Sí, yo vi. No te voy a decir 2 veces, ¿eh?
I just stopped the recording for no reason. Yep, I could see that. He sent me a friend request. Why can't we just take this tank? Why can't we just take this tank? Oh crap, I went into my... We shot it already. I don't know. Let's go. So we know there's guys right here, so be careful. It's called the wall rod. Yeah, you take out the guy on the right, I got the guy on the left. You ready? Dude, you ready? See, it's all your fault. I know, you weren't ready, so they spotted me. Ah, great. Great. I told you to hurry up. You were just standing there like, ooh. Hurry up. Bam. This is my plan. You take out the guy on the right, and I take out the guy on the left with the wall rod. Well, we both take him out with the wall rod, you know, like sneaky, sneaky. Good. Some ammo. Getting ammo, dude. Get ammo. Dude, get ammo. No. I got 30 Thompson ammo. Should I throw a grenade in there? I think that G failed, to be honest with you. Oh, from behind, another... Oh, I thought you guys died. Of course it does. And how many are there? The guy went around, so we might want to take him out. Or he gets us into more trouble. Ah! Stop shooting me. Stop shooting me and die. Nope, I killed him. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Did you find the parts? Did you hear him scream? Alright. I'm putting a trip mine right here. Yeah, look for me. How many are there? Ah! I got 2 headshots. I need your help, bro. There's still a G out there. Yes, we do. So we gotta go, guys. Well, I gotta go. So this is the end of the video, and if you want us to do more, we will play together more games, hopefully, tomorrow, because there's no school tomorrow, if you go to CPS. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, so see you later, guys.